Both units with main level entrances and no steps also has at the basement with 5 parking spaces. The second unit is just like a house. It features 2,384 finished square feet with 3 bedroom and 2 full bath, and a 384 square foot finished mid-level storage area. The living area has an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, spacious kitchen, and main level laundry. The covered concrete front porch with over 500 square feet is a dream for enjoying your family and friends. From the kitchen you go out on a large back deck with over 600 square feet for your grilling, parties, coffee break or just peace and quiet. Huge master suite with walk-in closet, a full attached bath with a tile shower. The 2 other exceptionally large bedrooms has a full bath located in the hallway for convenience. Downstairs the unit has a massive 3-bay garage area.